if we go back to where this price action took place, you can see that this was a down bar, right guys? But look at the delta. There was more buying than selling on this down bar. So to me, once I saw this high buying delta, I knew that, okay, buyers were basically getting involved. And then when you look over to the other side, you see sellers try to push prices down, but not much selling compared to the buying volume, right? And then right after that, we saw multiple volume coming into this market. What is up, guys? Welcome back to Hyve Trading. Today has been a pretty hectic day on GBPUSD. As you can see on my charts, I have caught a lot of trades, some sells here, I caught a lot of buys here. And today, basically what I wanted to go through with you guys is how institutions and professional traders basically manipulate the market, or their trading approach when price gets to a major key level. So today I'll be going over VSA, I'll be going over footprint chart and how that ties in. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the charts. So firstly, what happened was I was basically late coming into this market. I was at the gym, so I got to my charts a few minutes later than I wanted to, because initially what I wanted to do was catch my sell position from around this level, but I ended up getting a sell from here. So that was the sell position you saw on my MT4 chart. So I caught some sells here because I knew that price was going to this key level right here, and this level here was basically where we would be seeing some battle between buyers and sellers. So what I did was I basically took my orders here, my sell orders, looking to get down to this key level. And just before price got in, I saw some price action that I didn't like. It looked as though buyers were stepping into the market, so I got out of my initial sell positions. Now, obviously, if you look back, guys, you can see that the market has been very trendy to the downside, and I caught a bunch of sell trades going with the momentum, going with the order flow. But what I realized was today I knew that price was getting to a key level, and I knew that sellers were gonna get trapped around this level, which is why I was pretty cautious trading into this, down into this level. So basically what I saw today that caught my eye, guys, is look at this bearish candle that came down to this key level, guys. And I know that there was GBP interest rate news coming out, so I was waiting to see how price would react. And what you've got here, guys, is a stop in volume. In VSA terms, this is a stop in volume where basically price is being manipulated for sellers to think that price will go down. However, price is then being absorbed by the professionals, and they are then lifting prices up. And that's what you saw coming into this market. So let's quickly jump to the VSA chart so I can show you what this stop in volume entails. So as you can see, guys, this was that bearish volume that came in because Bank of England basically had news today where interest rates has been increased by 25 basis points, and now it's at a 15-year high of 5.2%. So that was the reason for this price action. However, let's read what this actually entails. So this is basically a 2-bar reversal. So you can see that the second candle is basically what confirmed this inducement and manipulation from professionals. So if we read what this is basically the first bar should be down into fresh new low ground. So basically you can see here that we were going into fresh new low ground. By the way, I failed to mention that this level right here was basically a quarterly level mixed in with a dynamic level from the yearly level. So this for me was a very, very key level, and I knew price would react from this level. So let's go back to what this is in VSA terms. So this price action, guys, is the first bar should be down into fresh new low ground. Remember, the professionals have to buy on down bars, panic selling from those traders on the wrong side of the market is absorbed by the market makers who now find price attractive. So basically what you have here, guys, is the late sellers, right? A lot of people saying that market has been trending down. They probably thought that, oh, market is pushing down into new lows. This means we're going to continue to the downside. However, professionals came in finding this prices more enticing for them because they knew this is cheaper. They already know that they're gonna push price to the upside, right? So when price is pushing down, they're like, oh, nice, this is a very nice cheap level for them to come in and start absorbing all those sellers taking price into new lows. And that's why you had this massive reaction, and on the 1 minute time frame it was followed by a bullish confirmation, right? So that was the confirmation of the stopping volume. So this type of stopping volume appears over 2 bars, the first being a down bar with the second bar up on a wide spread, and ideally closing above the high of the first bar, which is what we got, right? This is designed to lock traders out of the market by a rapid move up. Those short on the down bar now have to recover their positions at a loss. Buyers hesitate, feeling they have missed the up move and are vulnerable to being sucked in at higher prices, right? So guys, this is basically what it is. This is the VSA price action, right? But I didn't end there. So what I decided to do was jump on the footprint chart to see what the footprint chart was telling me. So if we go back to where this price action took place, you can see that this was a down bar, right, guys? But look at the delta. There was more buying than selling on this down bar. So to me, once I saw this high buying delta, I knew that, okay, buyers were basically getting involved. And then when you look over to the other side, you see sellers try to push prices down, but not much selling compared to the buying volume, right? And then right after that, we saw multiple volume coming into this market. So as soon as I started seeing those multiple buying volume coming into the market, I knew that it was time to start getting into buys. So every time price came back down to this level, I kept getting involved. There were several times where I saw aggressive buyers and I got in on the retest of those aggressive buyers, knowing that they were going to defend their positions. And that's why you see that I've basically got so many buying taking place right here. I got in a lot of buys, as you can see, nothing but buying for the day, because I knew that basically the price, due to price action, professionals were in this market and they were basically absorbing all the sellers. We could probably see price retrace much higher before then selling off, because I still believe this market is in a downtrend. However, today I saw bullish price action at a major key level and I decided to trade with the professionals. So that's it on this one, guys.
But wait, there's more.
So I thought I was done, right? I was editing this video so I could put it out to you guys, and I took one glance at the charts and I saw how price, after that rejection, it started to push up. So I decided to get in 4 more buys. So as you can see, I took 2 positions here. They were quite early because, you know, I saw the move, so I decided to jump in. But then when price retraced, there were some buyers at this level, and then I jumped in here and basically scaled out these 2 at break even, scaled out 1 position here, and then scaled out my final position at this level. Price could still carry on to keep pushing up, but guys, this is the power of seeing price action, using volume, using order flow to detect when big money is coming into the market, and you could just trade alongside with them. So guys, that is this video. I'm not taking any more positions. I'm gonna stay out of the markets now, but I really hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Be sure to smash that like, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace, guys.